This indicator right here is all you need to become a successful trader. Whether you're a swing trader or you're a scalper, this indicator is very simple to use. Now, the analogy behind this indicator is very simple. When the right line is green, the market is going high, and when the line is red, the market is going low. The other second thing you need to know about this indicator is this line in between these two lines serves as a point of contact in most case scenarios. So market is likely going to reverse into this point in most case scenario in order to be able to touch it and continue making its movement. Now what I'm going to do is to show you how this whole thing works in detail and how you can use it to start trading to make money. So this is called the step channel momentum trade. So unlike most of the other indicators you can find in the TradingView channel, this one doesn't follow the market impromptu, right? What I mean by that is that it actually lets the market play out, and then it gives you its signal in order to be able to avoid all those false signals that it gives, so many trades gives out people most of the time. Okay, so now how to get this indicator is very simple. Just go to your TradingView, go to your indicator, and go ahead and type in the word step channel. All you need to do is type in the word step, and the rest is going to complete itself. You can see this particular one over here by Chart Prime. Just go ahead and click on that over here, and it's going to load up this indicator. As for me, I'm using a very simple setting, which you can see over here. I'm using 14 length, and I left the multiplier the way it is by default, which is 0.6. Now that's all I needed to set up for this indicator, nothing much. Now this indicator is very, very simple, like I promised you. What you have to do is to look at the candle coming out from the middle line, whether it's going up or down, right? Just look at the candle that's coming out of there, and whatever direction it gives you is the direction you're going to be taking the market in. So for example, let's say you want to take a look at this particular place. You can see there's a bunch of yellow candles over here. Now, the moment it breaks through with a green candle, you can go ahead and take your long position. So over here, you can see over here, there's a green candle breaking out of this place. Put the trade right there. Put your stop loss just below the previous low you can find over here, and then your take profit could be, let's say, 2:1 or 3:1. I can see it quickly plays out, and this happens most of the time. In order to confirm this, take a proper look at the market again. So you can see the yellow candle in the middle of that line coming out and giving us a green candle closure. And that's it. That's actually how you enter your trade. And you can repeat this whole thing over and over again. So you can also see the same thing playing out somewhere here. So go ahead and take a look at this. You can see a proper yellow candle breaking out of this channel, of this zone entirely, and then giving us a red candle that finally closes out of the zone. So what happens is very simple. You go ahead and take your short position in this case and put a trade over here. Put your stop loss just above the previous high of that over there, and your take profit could be, say, 2:1 or 3:1, depending on what you trade with. Okay, and you can see over here that's also a quick profit made as well. Now you can repeat this as much time as possible in order to try and cash out as much trades as possible. You can see this one as well. Broke out over here, closed over here, put a trade right here, which is short position. And let's go ahead and see that once again. All right, so this is the so let's get the trade. The trade should be over here. If I see that right here, it breaks out right here, closes with red candle right here, and this is where you enter your trade. And go ahead and place your short position right there, and your stop loss should be just above the previous high before the move started, and your take profit should be, let's say, 2:1 or 3:1 risk to reward ratio. And by the time you check out what happened in this market, you're gonna end up seeing that you actually made an easy profit from these markets. And this could continue going on over and over and over and over again. Now, nobody says that this is going to be extremely profitable every single time. Sometimes you may make small losses, but most of the time, this is going to end up giving you profits. So this is just simply how this indicator works. The name of the indicator is Step Channel Momentum Trend, and you can find that in TradingView for free. If I share something new, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more updates like this every single time. See you in the next one.